Hey fam, I'm back with an unboxing video. Today we just received a package from Amazon Prime. I've already gone ahead and opened it up. On the inside, it's another box. So this last year around this time I was looking for Corningware, so around the holidays I can have my food and pretty dishes and everything. So I had a company actually reached out to me. I had a company that reached out to me and asked if I would review some of their products, and they're actually on Amazon, so their shipping time and everything is really fast. Like once I let them know I would do it, I think I had the product within 2 days, but that's because it's Amazon Prime. And you know, you get your 2-day shipping from Amazon Prime. But let's see. So this is me unboxing this for the first time, so I'm trying to see what's the best way to actually take them out. They're packaged really nicely so they won't crack or bake. So these are, like, I guess you would say, little quiche containers. They're really nice. They're not heavy. I do like that they're not heavy, so they're not too thick. Let me see if I can get the brand for you guys so you guys can see. I'll have the link down below to where you can find them. They do come in all white, I believe. This is the color set. So I may order all my Corningware and everything is all white, so I may order this because I have been looking for some of these. I think it'd be cute to make little quiches. And here's the information on the box as well. I think it would be cute to make like maybe little quiches, little breakfast thingies. You guys know at the beginning of the year normally I start back doing keto and different things like that. This white is really nice, so I might do a giveaway for these color ones and just order some of the white ones. They're not that expensive either, so they're a good price. I'm gonna come back and do another video to show you how I actually use them. And it has the little ridges going around, which is really nice, a little elegant, add a little elegance to them. These are dishwasher safe. So if you get the color set, you guys, this is the colors that the color set comes in. That's why I went ahead and showed all of them to you all. So if you guys do purchase these are the color ones. If you guys, or some people's kitchens are multi-color and like a lot of different colors and stuff. Me, I'm normally a white, gray, purple. I may have a touch of yellow, a pop of yellow here and there, but I'm pretty basic when it comes to my colors. As you can see, my nails, this is drastic for me to have black on my nails. But as far as this is a nice set. You get 6 in a set. The price is reasonable. I will leave the link in the description box below. And then also I really like these, and I have been looking for some, so I think I'm gonna order the all white ones. When I order some for myself, I'm gonna order the all white ones, but I am gonna do some little cooking. These are dishwasher safe, freezer safe, microwave safe, and oven safe, so they're multi-use, which most people love the dishwasher, so I think that will be good. Me, I don't use dishwashers. I'm old school, wash by hand. So stay tuned for my next video, because my next video, what I'm going to do is make a little dish. Let me know, should I do something keto friendly, pescatarian friendly, or vegan friendly when I try these out. We'll do something that we can microwave. We'll do something that we can actually put in the oven as well. But the dishes are really nice. They're not too thick, so they're not too heavy. They are lightweight. They're not heavy at all. So I do like the weight of them. That's one thing, because sometimes you get Corningware and the weight is just so heavy. These are Amazon Prime, so they come packaged very well, and delivery is fast. I literally received them within 2 business days. So like if you order them on a Wednesday, you know you're gonna have them by Friday. If you order them on a Monday, then you know you'll either have them if you have them Wednesday. All right. But do leave a message in the description box to let me know what you guys think about these, and what's an idea, something that I could whip up real quick that's quick and easy that I can bake so I can test them out. All right. Have a good one, guys. Until next time. Bye, fam.